Have you updated Sea of Conquest to the latest version? The recent update was a major one. It includes changes to the user interface and adds some excellent features to the game, such as friendly challenges, captain portraits, and Conqueror's Trove. Welcome back to the Meta Instincts channel. In today's video, we will walk you through the interface changes, explain how to run a friendly challenge, discuss what a captain portrait is, and show you how to benefit from Conqueror's Trove. New UI. The new user interface organizes daily activities such as Rogue's Rumble, Strait Clashes, Squad Raid, Voyage of Four Seas, Guilds, and the Council of Black Sails into the challenge section of Adventure. Tavern Beauty, Skye Land, and Angling have been grouped into the Leisure section of the Adventure. You can access these features by clicking the Adventure icon at the bottom rather than the avatar. Clicking your avatar will lead to the new Captain Portrait feature, which will be discussed in a later chapter. Skye Land is a boring island currently inaccessible on the new servers. It doesn't offer buffs to your hero or fleet, the developer is improving it. We can also access the Trade Center by clicking the Store button. Friendly Challenge. Friendly Challenge is the most exciting update as a tester. With this update, we can challenge our friends or gang members without losing sailors. To initiate a challenge, tap on the challenge button at the bottom left of a player's profile. If the player is a member of your gang, the button will be green, allowing you to start a challenge immediately. However, the button will appear gray if the player is not in your gang. In this case, you must add the player as a friend to start a friendly challenge. The challenge mode operates similarly to Strait Clashes, and we have 10 chances to initiate a challenge. This feature is a great way to test and improve our lineup effectively. If you're spending money on Sea of Conquest, GemZ has the best deal in the market. As Bundle Up's sister company, GemZ helps thousands of players save digital taxes and offers up to 15% discount on bundles. For example, UK players would pay over $127 for a 10,000 Gleamstones bundle. However, with GemZ it's just $87.99, saving over 30% from digital tax and discount, and you save even more as you spend. Plus, first-time users will get a $10 credit for any bundle. Take advantage of flash deals and giveaways on their Discord server. Click the link in the description and start saving today with GemZ. Conqueror's Trove. We have a new trade tab called Conqueror's Trove, an exciting addition for free players. It allows us to obtain some legendary hero badges for free. For instance, one Griffin badge costs 120 Conqueror tokens, which can be acquired from the 6th and 9th solo chests in Legend of Conquest. The 6th solo chest provides 64 tokens, while the 9th offers 96. By completing all points matches in the Legend of Conquest, we can obtain up to 26 free badges monthly. However, we must upgrade technology to unlock the 6th and 9th solo chests. It's essential to get them as soon as possible. Additionally, the excellent oak has been added to the market. If you want to learn more about the Legend of Conquest strategy, please visit these videos linked in the description. Captain Portrait. Now, we have a Captain Portrait with 6 pieces of equipment. We have the option to change the portrait using the available options. The equipment comes with equipment and gem attributes that are crucial as they benefit every ship, similar to stargazing. Equipment attributes are more attractive than gems because they provide a lot of stats. Each piece of equipment offers distinctive attributes such as extra armor, impact, HP, critical rate, critical resistance, and attack. At the maxed equipment level, we can achieve 41% critical rate and resistance, which is overwhelming. To upgrade the equipment level, it requires Tidal Scale and Abyssal Fang. We can exchange both materials from Parlor and Rogue's Retailer. Moreover, we can get Tidal Scale by killing armed freighter and sea monsters. Abyssal Fang is more precious because we can only get it by exchange. Thus, we will prioritize the exchange for Abyssal Fang. Gem attributes have 21 levels but are less significant than the equipment attributes. Upgrading the gem level requires Fiery Heart and Azure Heart, which can be obtained from Rogue's Retailer, Market, and Black Sail Expedition rewards. Additionally, we can activate the set effect by meeting specific criteria. For example, having 3 pieces of initial 1-star equipment will grant a 0.2% damage reduction, and having 6 pieces will provide an additional 0.2% damage bonus. It's best to upgrade all equipment simultaneously to optimize the set effect. What do you think of the new updates? Please let us know in the comments. Alright, here's the end of the sharing today. Please like and share it with your members. I'm Alan from Meta Instincts. See you soon.
Set sail on the exhilarating adventure in the world of pirates.